breaking updates coming in. More than 40 Delhi schools have received a bomb threat. Now, some East Delhi schools have also received a threat, including Mother Mary School, British School, Salwan Public School, as well as Modern School. These are some of the schools that have received a bomb threat. In fact, most schools have received these bomb threats via email. Cambridge School as well as DAV schools have also received this bomb threat. So it triggered a lot of panic, as you can see in the visuals as well. Parents rushing to the school immediately, the students being evacuated. This was the immediate action that was taken. The Delhi police officials have also now reached the spot and are conducting investigations to find out more about the threat. In fact, the anti-bomb disposal squad also being called in. The threat had been received via an email, and the email had been sent to 40+ schools. So you can imagine the kind of panic that it triggered, the parents rushing immediately to the schools. Shivani Mishra, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Shivani, this would have been extremely scary for the students, parents, teachers in these schools, 40+ schools receiving this bomb threat. What are the details?
Well, as of now, the Delhi police has confirmed that they received a threat email regarding call in the morning at 7, and the threat emails had been received last night on 8th of December. As of now, we are right now reporting outside the DPS school in RK Puram, where the police team, including the bomb squad team and also the fire brigade team, is inside. The email reads as, "I planted multiple bombs inside the building. I planted many such bombs. The bombs are small and hidden very well. It will not cause very much damage to the building, but many people will be injured, and if you all deserve to suffer or lose limbs." Here it has also said that if the person, the one who has given threat, if he will be granted $30,000, then he will detonate the bombs. And in fact, the email was received in early hours of morning as well to many schools. The bus route was changed of students. There were many students who came here before 7 a.m. and those were asked to go back to their homes. And now what we are given to know that through email address and official messages, the parents of the children have been informed in all of the schools. Teams of Delhi police have already reached the spots. The bomb squad teams are also probing the entire matter. We have seen in the past as well that how there were series of email threads. Those were received by many schools, but nothing was found inside. And even now, since morning, when the searches are going on inside the school premises, in the classrooms, in the principal room, and in other sites as well.
Okay.
There too, as of now,
nothing suspicious has been found, is what you're saying. Do stay on with us. Akanksha is also joining us. Akanksha, do we know whether this was a hoax mail? Has it been sent out of malice? Because the police officials have taken it with utmost seriousness, because the threat mail has gone to 40+ schools.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. You see, checking is going on in several schools across the national capital. Till now, nothing suspicious has been found so far. I'm currently standing outside Mother Mary's school here in East Delhi. This is in Mayur Vihar, and what parents are telling us here is around 8:15 in the morning, they got a call from the school asking them to take their children away. Right now at the spot, what we're learning is that there's bomb squad inside the school, and they are checking all the areas in the school as well. Let me go across and speak to one of the parents here. आपको कितने बजे मैसेज आया स्कूल का, क्या कुछ आपको अलर्ट किया गया? क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं काफी पेरेंट्स अंदर भाग के जा रहे हैं, काफी पैनिक है लोगों में।
हमें 8:15 पे स्कूल से ये मैसेज आया। बच्चे उसके पहले निकल चुके थे स्कूल के लिए कैब से। और
I want to read this message. Dear parents, an email was received this morning regarding a bomb threat in school. As such, the students are being dispersed immediately. You are requested to kindly collect your ward from your respective bus stops. On foot, parents are requested to kindly come and collect their wards immediately. The bus route in charge will keep you updated about the movement of the buses time to time. Mother Mary School. So ये मैसेज आपको आया है। काफी पैनिक हो गया, क्योंकि हमें याद है मई के मंथ में भी हम यहाँ पे आए थे, हमने यहाँ से रिपोर्टिंग की थी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक पहले भी बॉम्ब थ्रेट आ चुका है। बार बार यहाँ बॉम्ब थ्रेट आ रहे हैं स्कूल।
अब एक्चुअली न्यूज सही है या गलत, इस पर नहीं जा सकते ना। स्कूल वाले रिस्क नहीं ले सकते, हम भी नहीं ले सकते, बच्चों की बात है। इसलिए अब न्यूज सही है या फेक है, बट हमें तो पैनिक पैनिक होकर के एकदम से बच्चों को लेने आना ही पड़ा ना।
आपको टीचर्स ने क्या कुछ बताया?
मतलब मॉर्निंग में हम स्कूल आए, उसके बाद बैग वैग रखा, उसके बाद हमारी बीना मैम है, उन्होंने बोला कि सब नीचे आना, उसके बाद सब जमा हो गया, फिर पुलिस भी आ गई उसी ग्राउंड में।
अंदर पुलिस बॉम्ब स्क्वाड है, आप क्या कुछ अंदर देख रहे हैं?
टीचर्स ने बहुत ही एकदम फ्रेंडली मतलब बिहेव किया और बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज किया। सारे बच्चों को स्कूल की बिल्डिंग के अंदर ना रख के कैंपस में रखा फॉर सेफ्टी, एंड अंदर चेकिंग चल रही है, पुलिस है, बॉम्ब स्क्वाड वाले हैं, सब कुछ अच्छे से हो रहा है।
So as you heard and as been telling you, Pratibha, since morning we've been witnessing a lot of parents running it. They are all are in panic, going inside to collect their awards. What they're telling us, inside there's presence of bomb squad and also police who are going around and checking all the areas in the school as well. And just a moment back, there were announcements that were being made by the school administration asking parents to collect their awards. And 8:15 was this message that I showed it to you. That was in fact shot out to parents asking them to collect their awards. But so far what we're learning from this particular school in East Delhi, that nothing suspicious has been found so far. But there's police presence all around, and parents here are in panic. They're rushing in the school and in fact getting their children out from the school.
Okay, so thankfully nothing suspicious has been found, but it triggered a lot of panic, as we can see parents rushing in as well. We have more breaking updates now coming in.